In this video, I'll show you how to change the lot size in TradingView and what it actually means for your trade. Once you've placed your long position tool on the chart, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the Settings gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find the lot size field. The lot size determines how big your position is. The higher the lot size, the larger your trade, and that means both your potential profit and your risk increase. For example, if you set your lot size to 0.1, you might see the quantity value automatically change in the panel beside your chart, just like in my example. When you increase or decrease the lot size, TradingView recalculates the quantity of units to match your input. This helps you plan your position size visually so you can understand your risk-to-reward ratio before entering a trade. And that's it. That's how you change and interpret the lot size setting in TradingView. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials.